In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Notion page. This is a simple way to make your pages look more polished and professional, especially if you're building a personal dashboard, a content planner, or a portfolio. We'll be using free icons from the web and placing them directly into Notion, and I'll walk you through each part of the process so you can easily follow along. First, open the Notion page where you want to add your social media icons. This could be an existing page you already use, or you can quickly create a new one. Make sure you're in edit mode so you're able to paste and move things around on the page. Next, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type something like social media icons or social media symbols. You'll see lots of results, but for this tutorial we're going to use a popular icon site called Flat Icon. In the search results, look for the Flat Icon website and click on it to open. Once you're on the Flat Icon site, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in the specific social media platform you're looking for, such as Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, or just search for Social Media Pack if you want multiple icons in a similar style. Browse through the results and take your time to choose an icon style that matches the look and feel of your Notion setup. For example, you might prefer simple outline icons, colorful badges, or minimalist monochrome designs. When you find an icon you like, click on it to open the detailed view. On this page, you'll usually see different download options. What we want is to copy the image inside that icon preview. Look for an option or a button that allows you to copy the image as a PNG, or right-click the icon preview and choose the option to copy the image as PNG from your browser menu. The key is to copy the actual image, not just the link. Now, go back to your Notion page. Decide exactly where you want the icon to appear, then right-click in that spot on the page. From the menu that appears, select Paste. The social media icon you copied will appear directly on your Notion page as an image. You can then resize it by dragging the corners or move it around to position it exactly where you want. Repeat this process for each social media platform you want to add, keeping the same style of icons for a consistent look. And that's it. You've successfully added social media icons to your Notion page.